So let's jump start with the today's topic. So in the last video, we have learned some about a shape array. So we have imported our array. So today we will create numpy array 3 by 3 of all zeros. So all zeros. Okay. So let's a is equal to np dot zeros. I will clear you in the meanwhile. Just see and watch what is happening. So, okay, 3 by 3. Okay, so here telemetry I am doing something and we will discuss it later. So, what mistake we are doing. So, we will run and see the first time it will be some mistake. So cannot interpret 3 as a data type. So what's the see? So here we will indicate number. Okay. Now we will run and see. So what is basically the function is saying? So let me explain you. Okay. So numpy, from here we will import numpy library dot zeros. So zeros is a function. Is a function. So it will be right shape, data type, float, order. So this is the context you can see here, and you can practice it. So it is showing that how to use its data type optional. Some data types is optional. Okay, it is showing. So you must read this for your clarification. Shape, data type is float, and other thing is optional. We can write or not. So. Uh, let's jump to our topic. So three. So basically, three rows, three columns, and three rows. Zero, one, one, two, three, one, two, three. So if you make it four, then you can see it will become four. Save it. Now run it. So you can see here is four rows and four columns. If you do this, okay, it will make it three. So let's see. It will be more clear for you. So basically, this is four rows and three columns. You can see here that we are printing four rows and three. Okay, so let's move forward. This is zeros, and similarly, we are using with ones. If you are seeing here is for the sake of argument, we are using here zeros in the same way. Let me copy it. Okay. So okay, okay, this and import ones. Okay, here we are using ones. Okay, so let's save and run it and see whether one is printing or not. Okay, so this is three columns and four rows of one. So you might thinking that how to write other, we can write twos, threes, fours, fives, but that's not the concept here. We will discuss in the next video. You must watch. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Keep watching and please take care for yourself and your loved ones. Thank you. Until the next video.